Give me just 5 minutes, okay?
Come on, guys.
Just 5 minutes. Las bendiciones. Everything that we owe to Mama on her day. So I hope you guys really like these recipes. Today we're going to be making French 75 and French 95. So 2 perfect cocktails for Mom on her day when we're taking her out for brunch. So how are we going to build this guy? Super easy, you guys, and really fast. French 75. Let's go for 1.5 ounces of gin. Thank God I put my hands on the absolutely delicious Bombay Sapphire. Followed by 3/4 ounce freshly squeezed lemon juice and 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Let's put a little bit of ice. And let's give it a good shake, guys. All right, let's build French 95. This one is going to be a little bit more powerful for those moms that they like bourbon. So we're going to start with 2 ounces of Buffalo Trace, 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, a little bit more ice, and let's give it a shake as well. Quiet! All right. Wow, there's a silence in the house. Let's get our champagne flute. And let's pour our mix. Have that process done. Don't forget to bring your dry champagne or a sparkling or Prosecco or champagne or whatever you decide. It goes better where you drink. All right, and let's finish this foam with a really nice long twist. And now, if the lovely ladies that decide to come and step behind the bar, production, aka my lovely wife, Autumn Dorman, and my lovely friend, Jeanette Badal, which actually happened to be one of the masterminds behind Hey Bartender, and nowadays, obviously I really want to give her a really good shout. Thank you to all of you, moms. I appreciate it. Okay, you guys come over downstairs. Everybody together.
Yay.
Let's set. Happy Mother's Day. Cheers, Happy Mother's Day.